Hey, how you doing? Today, let's talk about the Chase credit card auto rental insurance coverage. As you can see right there, it says the auto rental collision damage waiver, also known as the auto rental insurance coverage. So right there, you can see which if we scroll down, you can see provides reimbursement for damage due to collision or theft for most rental vehicles while traveling within the United States and abroad. So these are some of the benefits that the claim to provide for you. I'm certain that you might have read all these, so I wouldn't want to go ahead and start, reviewing all these all again. So let's go straight and let me talk about what I see about these and just my own honest thoughts about all these. And possibly you can also drop your contribution in the comment box. All right. So talking about some key points that I see regarding these, the first one is the primary coverage, because when Chase auto rental collision damage waiver acts as primary coverage, this means that if there is any damage to the rental car or vehicle, then you don't have to involve your personal insurance first, because this simplifies the claim process and it can potentially save you time and hassle. Okay. The second one that I see here is the simple process. Paying for the entire rental with your Chase credit card and declining the rental company collision damage waiver, it makes the process straightforward. Okay. So this ensures that the Chase or the rental insurance coverage is in effect, and it's providing you with protection without any additional steps or paperwork. All right. The coverage details is also another point, because it is essential to understand that Chase auto rental coverage only applies to damages of rental car itself. Okay, so this means that it won't cover liability for damage to other vehicle or pedestrians. So while your rental car is protected, you are going to be needing additional insurance for broader coverages. Okay, and it's also important that the claim experience, because you enjoy positive user experience. So with Chase covering the damages, and even for minor incidents like scratches, highlights the reliability and effectiveness of this coverage. Okay, so this builds confidence in the insurance product, and it encourages you to utilize it when needed. So if there's any scratch in your car or your vehicle, you can easily use this to get it fixed. Okay, you're also going to be needing some documentations, because keeping on paperwork for the rental company is crucial for claim processing with Chase. So this includes rental agreements, the damage report, and any correspondence with the rental company. And also you need to have these documents readily available during the claim process, and this increases the chance of a successful reimbursement. Okay, another important thing that you need to put into consideration here is the overseas coverage. It's better that you understand that the Chase Auto rental coverage, it's extend to rentals outside the United States. Okay, but however, it is essential that you are aware of any specific requirements or limitations in certain countries. So this ensures that you're adequately protected, and it prepares you for rental experience even abroad. Okay, country specific requirements also is also important, because in companies like Mexico, additional visitors insurance may be necessary in addition to Chase coverage. So it's better that you are aware of this country specific requirements, because it can help to avoid surprises and also ensure comprehensive coverage during your rental. Okay, foreign claim process is another point that you need to put into consideration, because claiming reimbursement for damages abroad may pose additional charges due to language barriers and different documentation requirements. So being proactive in gathering the necessary documentations and understanding the claim process, it can help you to navigate these challenges easily. Verification is another important thing you need to put into consideration, because verifying coverage limits ensures that it aligns with the value of the rental car. So this is particularly important in cases of total loss, because where coverage limits need to adequately cover the cost of replacing or repairing the vehicle. All right, language barrier is also what I want to talk about. I think I talked about it earlier, but maybe I didn't buttress it very well. But language barrier can complicate communication with rental companies abroad, and understanding their documentation requirements. So make sure that you're prepared to navigate these challenges, because it can ensure a smoother rental experience and claim process. Ease of claim is also another thing, because despite potential challenges abroad, a lot of users have reported that claiming reimbursement with Chase is significantly more difficult than in the United States. So don't be scared that maybe if you're not in the United States it's going to be difficult. It is not. Okay, because this kind of allow the reliability and accessibility of Chase claim processing even in the international settings. Okay, and the last point I'm going to be talking about here is the personal experience. Okay, because hearing about successful experience and using this auto rental coverage by Chase, in various companies provides valuable insight and reassurance. So knowing that others have also had positive outcome, because I've gone ahead, reach out to other people, and there are a lot of positive outcome, and confidence in the insurance product. So, it's kind of encourage travelers to utilize it during their rentals abroad. So you can be complacent enough to use this. So that is what I have for you in this video. However, let's add some additional insights. Maybe this can also help buttress further. The first one right is cost savings, okay, because opting for shares auto renter can result in significant savings compared to you purchasing insurance directly from rental companies. So this makes it a cost-effective option for you, okay. Maybe if you're a traveler, or a lot of travelers out there who are possibly looking for protection, or of their vehicle, of their rental vehicle, without breaking the bank, okay. And also personal insurance check, because before renting a car and relying solely on Chase, it's wiser you check your personal car insurance coverage, because in some cases your personal insurance may extend to rental cars, which allows you to forego purchasing additional rental insurance altogether and relying solely on Chase coverage, okay. Car hold requirements also, because despite declining insurance from the rental company, some may still require a hold on your credit card for potential damages. So this is very common when you're renting abroad, and it also serves as a precautionary measure, for the rental company, regardless of your Chase auto rental coverage, okay. So those are the things that I have for you here. Also, I think there is additional liability coverage, because while the Chase auto rental coverage covers the damage to rental car itself, it's also important that that it may not include liability coverage for damage to other vehicle or property. So in such cases, additional liability coverage may be necessary, so that it's going to ensure comprehensive protection during your rental period. So this insights and every of these points I've talked about here, I believe that they provide valuable consideration to you as a traveler whenever you are evaluating the Chase credit card rental insurance, and it has also possibly help you to make informed decision to ensure adequate coverage and peace of mind during your rental experience. If this video has been helpful, then you can drop your thoughts in the comment box, and if you know any other thing, maybe you have experience with this type of benefit, then you can also drop it. I've spoken with a lot of people, chat with a lot of people, and they enjoy the benefit even both home and abroad. So you can go ahead, let us know your thought in the comment box. Thank you very much for your time. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.